Hello everyone, a very good morning. Welcome in Atharva Academy. So today we are going to learn about the polynomial class 9th. This video is all about the basics of polynomial. By the variables. Here these two things together combined together using the multiplication sign. So we are having two coefficients here in this equation, a and b. Now x is the variable. This equation is having only single variable, that is x. We can have multiple variable equation also, that we shall study in the next chapter. Now as you can see, this is a variable. Okay, now let us classify the polynomial. So polynomial can be classified into two. One is polynomial can be classified according to terms, means how many terms are there present in the polynomial, and according to power, means what is the highest power, and power decides the name of the polynomial. Okay, so first let us see polynomial classification according to terms. So first, this is a monomial. Monomial means a polynomial which is having a single term. For example 2x square, 9x, 7x cube. These all are the polynomials having only single term. That is why this polynomial is considered as a monomial. Now binomial. Binomial is nothing but the polynomial which is having two terms. For example 2x plus 9, 3x square plus 2. These are having two terms. See, as you can see, these are the binomials. Now next, trinomial. Trinomial is the same as binomial but having three terms. For example 2x square plus 3x plus 9, 2x cube plus 5x plus 9 is also another example for the same. Now quadranomial. Quadranomial name suggests it is having four terms, 2x raised to 3 plus 9x square plus 5x plus 1. Right? So this is an example of quadranomial. Anything more than four terms can be considered as a polynomial in general. Now according to power. So according to power, polynomial, first, if power is 1, then it is called linear polynomial. Means 2x plus 1 is considered as a linear polynomial. Why? Because the power of x here is 1. Then quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, that means the polynomial which is having power 2, means 2x square plus 9x plus 1. This is quadratic polynomial. Yes, this is trinomial also. Then 2x square plus 5 plus 3x. This is also kind of the quadratic polynomial. Means the polynomial which is having highest power is considered as a quadratic polynomial. Now cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial, as the name suggests, polynomial which is having highest power as 3. 2x cube plus 9x, 3x cube plus 5x plus 7x square plus 9. See, here we are not considering number of the terms, we are only considering the highest power of the polynomial. Consider this thing very carefully, guys. Now biquadratic is having highest power 4, like 4x raised to 4 plus 3x cube plus 9x. Simply you can write 5x raised to 4 plus 1. This is also considered as a biquadratic polynomial. Okay, so this is it.